The floor press is a push exercise, and the primary muscles are the chest, but it also works the triceps and the shoulders. We're going to perform this in a laying down position on a mat using a set of dumbbells. Now, for any push movement, it's important you think about how you push something away. Your elbows are down, your shoulders are rolled back, and you're pressing away. What I see a lot are people doing push-ups and other pressing with their elbows flared up, crunching up their shoulders to their ears and pressing this way. But think about if someone is coming at you, you're pushing them away, you're pushing someone away like that. So we're doing the same movement. This is the movement we're doing, pushing something away. Or if you're leaning into something to push it along. Shoulders are relaxed, elbows are down, and you're pushing with the chest. So the same goes with this movement here. For the setup, I'm going to grab my dumbbells and I'm going to lay back. I'm going to have my arms bent as I lay back here. Carefully down with the head. And then thinking about that push movement now, my elbows are down, shoulders are relaxed, and my points of contact right now are my legs, of course, my hips, and my shoulders. I actually have a big gap right here in my lower back, and that's perfectly fine, having that little bit of an arch. And of course, my head is on the mat as well, too. So in this position, you can see the weights are about in line with my sternum, and that's where you want to be. What we don't want is up here. That's the bad push. We want the good push. So from here, got the weights up in my hands, and we're just going to press straight up and then kiss those weights at the top. From here, let those elbows come down to that first position. Up and down. And we're going to go about this speed. This is our tempo right here. Nice and slow up. Hold it for a second at the top. And nice and slow and controlled on the way down. Get that big breath in here. And exhale as you press. Inhale. And exhale.